why you must use pressure-treated pine material on a crawl space home. Hey, it's Craig with Anchor Foundation Repair, and I'm here again to talk about using the right material in a crawl space to avoid problems. One of those first problems that you're going to avoid will be termite damage. This is a base block combo sitting in the ground. It's actually not a base because it's poured in concrete around here. And I've pointed out the damage of termites before, but you can see them just tunneling up the side of this block trying to get something. There's live termites right there, guys. Trying to get to something above that they can really do damage on. So not only did they climb up that concrete block, they went around a termite shield, which is designed to prevent them from getting any higher. You can see how they're spreading across the bottom side here, the bottom side right there. I'm gonna chip that off. Nobody's in it. And they even went vertical once they passed the edge of that termite shield. Breaking that off just to put them back behind the power curve a little bit so we can get in here and do repairs, and then the bug guys can do treatments. But here's why you got to use the right material. This is a pressure-treated pine main sill. You can tell the difference between the way it looks just color alone versus the non-treated or untreated floor joists right here, which have dry rot and termite damage, and the subfloor right here. So when you're using pressure-treated pine material, you're going to prevent damage from dry rot and termites. I should not be able to stick my screwdriver upside down on a subfloor, and when I pull down, you can see the stuff that just comes out. So anytime you're working on a crawl space, anytime you're doing repairs on your home in an unconditioned airspace, make sure you use the right material.